Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. So update today about the S&P as we're heading into the weekend. Yeah, just because we've seen a massive red candle today. I mean, I'm on the 8-hour chart, but if we go to the daily chart, you see the same thing. We have officially entered my target area for this fourth wave. So we talked about the bullish scenario here for the S&P 500. We talked about it since we moved above the 3,950 US dollar level. Since then, we moved up, how much was it? Around, 10%, 9.5 to 10%. We hit this reverse. So first of all, and here again, you see the power of Elliott waves. This area was missed. Yeah, here I was a bit too bullish at the time. That was already here. I expected the end of a correction or a reversal area. It didn't happen. We then, however, moved down, picked this reversal area, picked this target here in the wave 3. I talked about profit taking up here, and we then came down as expected into this target range. I currently expect this to be a wave 4, so that we had a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and one more wave is now missing, the wave 5. Only if we have the wave 5, we can be more confident in the bullish scenario. And then one thing is missing. After that, we want to see the ABC correction, because when all of this is complete, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we want to see this as a larger wave 1. Or this would count as a larger wave 1. And that will come down in a wave 2 in this ABC correction. Yeah? And that means the entire impulse, the entire wave 1 will be corrected. There's two things that can happen here. At the moment, we only have 3 waves. So yeah, you could say we have 4, but I don't know if this really will become a wave 4. I don't know that. It could also be a wave 2, which means we will have a 1-2, 1-2 setup. And that would be the case if we go below $3,950. Already below 4,024, the wave 4 will get less likely. But because the S&P does it sometimes, I've included the 61.8% FIB level as into the target range. Because normally you would say below the 50% FIB level, it's not a wave 4 anymore. But strictly invalidated, it would only become below 3,950, and then I would move and call this a wave 2 correction. And then we need to watch out for this level, which is really the last resort for the bulls, the 3,720 level. If we drop below this level, then I think we are going to see a new low, even below the low from the 17th of June, which was at $3,635. I would then think and see it that way that we will get into the region between $3,600 and $3,360. I would then expect the low here. Yeah, so even if we make another low, and that is possible because so far we only see 3 waves. Yeah, this could become an impulsive move down. Absolutely, this could just be a correction. It's less likely in my opinion, because we still hold support. We are still above the 3,950 level and also above 3,720. But yeah, this is still possible. But then I would expect here the reversal at the latest. But for now, it's adhering nicely to the wave count here. A strong daily candle. Yeah, we have to say that very, very clearly. But at the moment, we can still expect the reversal in the wave 4 area. This is just based on the wave count and the Fibonacci levels at the moment, the most likely scenario to move up in a wave 5. And the minimum requirement for the wave 5 will be a move above $4,327, above the wave 3 high. But markets do unlikely things all the time. Therefore, we just need to be prepared that it could also become a wave 2 and that we simply don't know until we have seen the completed 5-wave move. And only when we see the first 5 waves on this relevant time frame and the first ABC correction in a wave 2, which will lead to a higher low, only then we can also increased the probabilities for the bullish scenario. At the moment, they are still 60%. They will drop if we go below 3,950, and they would become, I would make the bearish scenario primary if we go below the $3,721 level, or maybe already if we go below the 88.7% fib level here, which is at $3,789. Yeah, and that is currently my view. So far, from a psychological point of view, I think what might happen is, obviously there was a lot of emotion today, a lot of people panicking, a lot of people already being flushed out of the market again, generally across markets. So that would generate some FOMO again if we really reverse here. A lot of FOMO, a lot of people will jump in, and then I think we are going to see a much larger correction in a wave 2. That will flush a lot of people out of the market again. And if that will be a very strong correction, then you will also see a strong counter reaction in the next wave 3 then, and that will lead to a lot of FOMO again. So that's sort of how it would play out from an emotional point of view. But yeah, so far it has been working out. This is now the key. We need to see next week how this is playing out. Again, primarily I would expect this to move up. We've got the 50% fib level here. That is sort of the next key level at $4,024. And also very important to mention that we are currently seeing here a 3-wave move down, which makes sense. So if we have really here an impulse up, a wave 1 was an impulsive wave, the wave 2 was corrective, the wave 3 was impulsive, the wave 4 is corrective. As long as this stays a 3-wave move, that's perfect. And we can also calculate more specifically a target here by taking the length of the wave A, adding it to the high of the wave B, yeah, and then a key level is the $4,000 level, because this is the 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm going to put that onto the chart as a target now. And if we go below this, then we've got the $3,950 level. That is the structural wave 1 high. And if we go below that, the next key level would be the 1.618 extension level at 3,871. That would be an Elliott wave relevant level. Okay, and that is my update about the S&P 500. Hope you will have a great weekend. And yeah, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.